Hey Lindy Central, I am Brie Michelle and I am doing a follow-up. This is video 2 of the follow-up to my first class in the series, Mother Africa, talking about oppositional movement. So this step came from the Consuela Harris video that I shared, and I paired it with the dance Lamban because it's relying on a lot of the same technique. So, dun, dun, dun. We talked about Consuela Harris going step, release, step, release. So one step and one release, one step and one release, one step and one release, one step and one release. So from the back, one step, one release, one step, one release, one step, one release, one step, one release. Now, the release is the same in the Lamban, but what I'm going to do with my feet is I'm going to do bra, bra. So instead of step 1 and hold, which is what we were doing a minute ago, it's more of a roll. So like bra, bra, da, 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 da. So I'm doing 2 feet, 2 and 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 1. That keeps appearing over and over again. So let me play the Lamban and we'll try that.